Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Computer Fundamentals and Organization. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the switched mode power supply or SMPS. A switched mode power supply is an electronic circuit that converts power using switching devices that are turned on and off at high frequencies and storage components such as inductors or capacitors to supply power when the switching device is in its non-conduction state. Switching power supplies have high efficiency and are widely used in a variety of electronic equipment including computers and other sensitive equipment requiring stable and efficient power supply. A switched mode power supply is also known as a switch mode power supply or switching mode power supply. SMPS is an electronic gadget or module that comprises a combination of inductors, capacitors and semiconductor gadgets like diodes and MOSFETs. It is utilized to change over a specific DC voltage to another DC voltage level. It is utilized rather than straight or ohmic converters of higher efficiency. SMPS could be a key portion in almost all domestic electronic equipments like portable chargers, PC control supplies, etc. It works by employing a semiconductor switch like MOSFET to switch on off the supply voltage at a specific exchanging recurrence to control the yield voltage. Varying the exchanging recurrence will alter the yield voltage. Next, we can discuss the types of SMPS. SMPS is designed for obtaining the regulated DC output voltage from an unregulated DC or AC voltage. There are four main types of SMPS such as DC to DC converter, AC to DC converter, flyback converter and forward converter. The AC to DC conversion part in the input section makes the difference between AC to DC converter and DC to DC converter. The flyback converter is used for low power applications. Also, there are buck converter and boost converter in the SMPS types which decrease or increase the output voltage depending upon the requirements. The other type of SMPS include self-oscillating flyback converter, buck boost converter, etc. This figure illustrates the working of SMPS. Next, we can discuss the stages of SMPS circuit. First one, input stage. The AC input supply signal 50 Hz is given directly to the rectifier and filter circuit combination without using any transformer. This output will have many variations and the capacitor should be higher to handle the input fluctuations. Second one, switching section. A fast switching device such as a power transistor or a MOSFET is employed in this section which switches on and off according to the variations, and this output is given to the primary of the transformer present in this section. Third one, output stage. The output signal from the switching section is again rectified and filtered to get the required DC voltage. This is a regulated output voltage which is then given to the control circuit which is a feedback circuit. Fourth one, control unit. This unit is the feedback circuit which has many sections. Applications of SMPS. There are many applications of SMPS. They are used in the motherboard of computers, mobile phone chargers, HVDC measurements, battery chargers, central power distribution, motor vehicles, consumer electronics, laptops, security systems, space stations, etc. Switch mode power supply applications for the most part include power connectors, desktop power or server control. SMPS plan is isolated into essential and auxiliary areas due to segregation topology. The essential area includes EMI shifting and input correction. Next, we can discuss the advantages of SMPS. First one, high efficiency. The switching action means the series regulator element is either on or off, and therefore little energy is dissipated as heat and very high efficiency levels can be achieved. Second one, compact. As a result of the high efficiency and low levels of heat dissipation, the switch mode power supplies can be made more compact. Third one, cost. One of the points that makes switch mode power supplies very attractive is the cost. The higher efficiency and the switching nature of the design means that the heat that needs to be reduced is lower than that of linear supplies, and this reduces cost. Along with this, the switching nature of the supply means that many of the components are lower cost. Fourth one, flexible technology. Switch mode power supply technology can be used to provide high efficiency voltage conversions in voltage step up or boost applications or step down buck applications. Next is disadvantages of SMPS. First one, the switch mode power supply is complex. Second one, it can be utilized as it were as a step down regulator. Third one, it has one output voltage. Fourth one, SMPS moreover causes harmonic distortion. Fifth one, it generates electromagnetic interference. Sixth one, it is expensive compared to linear supplies. In this lecture, we have discussed the SMPS. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.